Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the US dollar again did make a pretty nice move up yesterday, and we actually had a break of structure, I believe, last Friday. Yeah, last Friday. So that was the break of structure, and then we got possibly three waves down, and then we got another move up. I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here, which is definitely five waves in my eyes. So more than likely, we are now in a correction to the last five waves because the daily time frame trend is definitely down. I would be looking for three waves up. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside. Kind of looks like we possibly already have an ABC correction right here. So there's definitely a chance that this does just keep on trending down from here. I would keep an eye on it because if it does make some sort of a three-way pattern down and then turn back up, there is a chance that it could go up a little higher, maybe up to the 61.8. But it definitely has that one, two, three-way pattern. It definitely does have that Fibonacci bounce. There's probably a better chance that this is going to turn into a one, two, three and just keep on stretching out, making lower lows, lower highs. Because the trend is definitely down on the higher time frames, and I definitely would recommend looking for shorts at the end of any three-way patterns we see, especially if they are nice three-way pattern Fibonacci bounces like what we have here. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.